Man, I hope I have everything. Isn't that the worst feeling in the world? Getting ready for a trip and you're just thinking, do I have enough crap? Or maybe, do I have too much crap? It is end of March and I'm getting ready to shove off to Death Valley. This is the first time I'll be camping on this bike. I'm going about 2 hours south right now to meet up with a fella to have breakfast. I haven't met him before yet, so that's pretty exciting. And yeah, we're gonna try to do Death Valley in one day. This is what it looks like. 517 miles. And it says we're gonna get there at 2:30. What time is it now? 6 in the morning. All right, well, I better put my pants on. Oh, and hey, dork in the road. Thanks for the shirt, buddy. And we are rolling. What a beautiful morning. The bike feels extremely heavy. I'm starting to second guess how much crap I brought. The biggest trouble is I'm fairly new into camping, and my tent is kind of bigger. Sleeping bag is bigger, and so is my camp chair. The camp chair is like something from Costco, but I figured we're setting up at a campsite and then we're going to be riding out of the campsite, so I don't think I'll be riding in the dirt with what I have on the back right now. It is a little cooler this morning, 48 right now. And there is some wind. It's weird. I don't know why there's wind here. Oh, it's the fans. They left the fans on. I tell ya. California and the fans. Getting through Rio Vista. Looks like we got a little Friday morning commute traffic. Going over what I think is a very cool drawbridge. Sacramento River here. Feeds all the way out through the Golden Gate Bridge into the Pacific. So you get boats, I think as big as they come right through here. They go that way to Sacramento, and then that way is to the bay. And then this whole thing gets lifted up. Oh, that's cool. And obviously it's very high traffic, single lane, so here we are. We're getting there. So how common is a double-decker water tower? Do you guys have those in your city? I'm getting up front here. Oh yeah. Love California for that reason. There it is, a double-decker water tower. I feel like I haven't ever seen one before. It sits right here, right outside Rio Vista. Well, hello, Merced. This is my first stop. 200 miles before breakfast. Actually, I think it was just under 200. But that's a great podcast. Check it out. Headed to Black Bear Diner. I do love me some Black Bear. Well, I met Blake there. He's on the 850. We just had some breakfast at Black Bear. Oh yeah, we are underway. It's getting a little warm. I need to shed some layers and take off these gloves. It's reading 78 degrees out right now. We're a good hour in from breakfast. Just dropping down 99. Now that's a billboard. Well, we just stopped, got a little gas. We're just outside of Bakersfield. We're gonna be heading east in about 26 miles, so a little more down the road, and then we'll get into some better scenic stuff. Oh yeah! God, I've been going straight since this morning at 6. Finally get some twisties. Oh yeah. Lake Isabella. And it's looking low. Elevation 2,600 feet. Here we go. Death Valley, 106 miles. Yeah, we're still 100 miles away. Look at this forest. Different kind of forest than where I grew up, Pennsylvania. All these cactus trees. Welcome to Searless Valley. We're still riding. It's a lot of riding today. But hey, at least there's snow. I don't think that's snow. I know that's not snow. I believe it's called borax, or maybe that's what they make from it. I forget what the white stuff is. But it's just laying around. And then there's a few different, manufacturing facilities here that do stuff with it. I do believe it's a cleaning agent of some sort they use it for. I'll have to figure it out. Maybe I'll drop some text in the video. How would you like to work out here? Welcome to Trona. T-R-O-N-A. Trona? Trona. What's he doing? Oh, we're slowing. Oh, we're gonna get gas here. Okay. We are not on headsets. That's kind of a bummer. I only use race gas. I'm kidding. What am I doing? Man, I'm tired. Yep. That's the one I want. I think I'll go for the one in the shade.
Pretty toasty now.
Yeah. It's hot. How much is it here? That's not too bad. $5.89. All right. Look at those rocks. Back at it. Gassed up. Went to the bathroom. More water. Fresh GoPro battery. Even some Red Bull and beef jerky. Oh yeah. There it is. The Valley of the Death. Death Valley. Key cinematic music. Oh man, look at that. That is amazing looking. Will you look at that? Holy crap, it's hot. It's 97 degrees. I'm not in a mesh coat. What was I thinking? I left it at home. Currently at about 1,100 feet and sinking. Blake got us on this, what road is this? Wild Rose Road. Say that. Hey, now we're in Death Valley National Park. Oh, so much for a picture. This is the back way in. Blake said, yeah, let's go this way. This road's different because it's not smooth, but it's not gravel. Oh, this is a little smoother. Yeah, about the same. It feels like it might be a little loose underneath, but I haven't stopped to really feel it. I can just feel it on the tires. But it's great. Temperature's dropping, we're going back up in feet. I think we're gonna be climbing up on there. Whoa, is that snow up there? That is snow up there. Well, I have plenty of cold weather gear for the snow. Check this road out. It's slowly deteriorating. This calls for Enduro Pro. Because that also changes my suspension. Because if I grab my suspension and look, it's an Enduro. So I'm out of road for that. One button push, it grabs both. So that's why I like that. Oh, baby! Woo! That was a nice little crack in the road. All right, so this is like partially paved. Partial paved, partial dirt. Let's throw this cow around, man. I've come to realize I have way too much stuff. But I feel like I need everything I brought. Oh, man. What are you gonna do? Live and learn, right? Oh, yeah. Now we're turning into some loose stuff. Oh, yeah. Should I slow down a little? I don't know. Say no to slow. Yeah, I like it. Oh, this is so cool. And it's 84. It feels so nice. Oh, it feels so nice.
Yeah, so that's Wild Rose campground. I'll have the track here, so
Nice. Now we play in the dirt. All right, to the top. Oh man, look at that view. That is a nice view. Very nice. Man, it don't get nicer than that. Woo-wee. So I've been here for a little bit, met up with the guys. I'm setting up my tent. I'm losing light fast, but man, I had to show you this.
Oh, that's fire right there.
All right, I got to go back to setting up my tent. Well, day one is just about done. It's got to be close to 11. Sat around the fire, had some drinks, told some stories. It was good. I'm in my tent. Everything seems to be pretty good. All right, that's the end of this video. Tomorrow is day 2, which is another video. See ya.